Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Made with Love video. Today I have a really neat layered paper craft for you. This is my Warm Embrace layered paper craft. How adorable is that couple there in the middle? You have that fun heart in the background, some fun flowers there in the front, and there are little stands on either side of the paper craft so that it can stand up on its own instead of laying flat. This does have 3 different versions of this project located within the download. One for the straight couple, which I will be making today. I have one for gay couples and one for lesbian couples as well. So we are all inclusive on this channel and I can't wait for you to make these. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, your cardstock, and foam squares if you want to add some dimension between the different layers. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This file is part of Made with Love 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can find out more information about the VIP Access Pass for Made with Love 2026 in the description box below. No matter how you download the file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Now I do have 3 different versions of this layered paper craft. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the straight couple. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. This project is sized appropriately for my needs. If you're wanting to make this a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller, you can change the options here in the sizing window. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. I'm going to start with the couple themselves. You're going to start with the light pink, then the darker brown color, the skin tone, the shirt, and shirt layer. Go ahead and refer to that layering guide. I'm going to do the other pieces after I get these done. I'll speed it up just a little bit and then I'll show you what they look like when I'm all finished. Alright, there is our little couple. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute and we can go ahead and layer the flower embellishments. For the embellishments, you're going to start with the green layer, the solid red, pink, and then the 2 pieces for each of the flowers. Again, refer to the layering guide. I'll speed up the video again and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our flowers. If I tilt it this way, you can kind of see the dimension. The camera is not really picking up some of the flowers all that great. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that the female's leg is in front of the flowers. So I'm going to kind of tuck the flowers behind her leg there, and then center it how I want it. That looks good, except that one. There we go. There, that looks good. And now I'm just going to use my glue and attach that to the paper craft. Just like that. You may have noticed that the 2 larger pieces, the heart and then the brown section, have little slits on the bottom, and these 2 angled pieces. These are going to be the stand. So you're just going to need the stand through these slits here. Just like that. I'll push it up a little bit closer, just like that. And now the paper craft will stand up. And our project is all set. Wasn't this really fun to put together? Now, if you don't want to include the stand or use the stand, that's totally fine. You can just make the project and not use the stand. Attach it onto a card or use it in a shadow box. It's a really, really fun project, and I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Made with Love video. Bye-bye.